Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize.
Hey you guys, so we're gonna be working on this puny thing today. I'm gonna try to make it look like a real mailbox. Hey you guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Dad Family 5. As you just saw in this video, we will be redoing my mailbox. We've been here for 4.5 years, and I want to make my mailbox look nice. You know, it looks a little flimsy. And so I've been wanting to do this project. It's a little nicer day today. It's not as cold. It's gonna be 55 today, not 25. I can deal with that. So my goal right now is to go to Lowe's, because I go to the blue store. Go to Lowe's and go get some Oops paint. Hopefully they have some Oops white paint, or Oops blue paint or black paint. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. And then get some spray paint, because I have another project that I want to do. So, which is my my mirror. So I hope that y'all are intrigued enough to watch all the way through. Make sure that you subscribe down below and ring that bell, a ding, and then make sure that you, if you can, please comment down below what renovations or DIYs or any creations that you are starting to do in the new year. My birthday is December 31st, and so after my birthday I always get this sense of hopefulness and newness, and so it's like I'm kind of hyped, and so I feel good about myself already because I have my sleeve. I'm down 100 pounds, yay! And then I just feel good overall. I feel I have accomplished a lot last year. I made Dean's List 2 times, and I'm so excited for myself. I'm doing 2 classes right now, starting Monday, tomorrow, because, financial aid and school dismissal. But I don't want to be paying loans for the rest of my life. But we'll see. After that, let's see. Yeah, I mean, that's what we're doing today. We're going to do that, and I'm going to do one more DIY before I go to work today, because I got called in. We're going to get that double time, baby. So excited. Just to triage folk. That's all I'm doing. So, but okay. So, we'll be back with me in the mask, and we're us going into Lowe's. Okay? See y'all soon.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. Get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Waste of words, waste of breath. Cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees.
All right, you guys. Hey, welcome back. I just wanted to let y'all know where I got this wood from. So we got a new bed from Wayfair, and I'll put that up in the eye in the sky when we got our new bed and mattress and everything. And so we have an adjustable frame, and y'all know with every new bed you get these little railing things. I was like, don't throw them away. I want to do something with it, not knowing what I wanted to do with them at the time. And so like I'm getting thoughts and things. So my mom and dad have the same thing, and I'm just like, hey, I can do stuff with this wood rather than throw it away. So so I'm taking out the staples that are in there so it could be a smooth place, and then we're going to paint and all that good stuff. And yeah, y'all get to see all that good stuff. So I hope that you're enjoying enough to go ahead and subscribe.
Changes will come, cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, cause the light's just around the corner.
Slow it down. There's no need for us to rush it. No. 'Cause we're past the cold. So why stay and just repeat it now? Yeah. Oh. We dream about all things being alright. But we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it. 'Cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high tide. I can't hear
Okay, you guys, so
the
I will be back once I'm done cutting them, and then we're gonna put them on the mailbox stump. We're gonna see how that goes. Y'all, I'm excited. Okay, we're gonna try to get this done soon. I wanted to go to Zumba, but Zumba be done in like 20 minutes, so okay.
to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it. 'Cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high tide. No matter from now. Yeah, we must fight it now. 'Cause nothing else matters from now on. No matter from now. It's high tide. No matter from now. It's high tide.
So yeah, I lost a clip of me starting to paint this mirror that we got from the estate for free, pretty much. And so yeah, it's very heavy and very old, but I wanted to spray paint it, but not too much. I still wanted to show it a little bit of character, so we got spray paint, and once I put the polyurethane on it, it showed some of the gold. So I really like it.
So heavy, I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I am on my way into work. I got called in, making that money. Woo! Making that COVID money. But yeah. So I just want to make sure y'all know to click the subscription box down below. Make sure that you ring that bell, a ding, and make sure that you comment down below if you have done any DIYs, any creative things since the new year has started. My therapist has been saying to me that I need to do things that makes me happy. And I'm one of those people that small accomplishments makes me feel good. So, me doing the small things like, well, that's not actually small, but me doing the small things like doing my mailbox and my little mirror that y'all saw is not really little. That joke was big. That's going to the kitchen. I'm so excited. Actually, I might put that one in the front with the other one. Anywho, but anyways, me doing little things like that, it helps me, keeps me up and happy. And so I'm ecstatic to be able to be doing things like that. So yeah, so let's go ahead and end this video as we all do always. For we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Bye.